Okay, this is the IP Instance Tracker mini app created in PHP. We have the Git repo here with some various descriptions and documentation. It has a CLI interface for command line use. It has an API for consumption by other tooling, and it has a graphical user interface. This is the graphical user interface. We have full text search for the devices. Zbot, there should be 2 phones. There we go. Across the top, we have the details for the scan. We have the name of the tool. We have whether we're in debug mode or for extended logging. We have the IP address ranges we search. Right now, it should be limiting us to only be able to scan non-routable addresses. And it should stop scanning or prevent a scan if you don't have a local IP address that is in the range that you're trying to scan. Then for the scan tool, we have 3 options that are currently ARPScan, Nmap, and IPNA, and a timeout. Then we have a view of all of our previous scans and the scan log. We of course have the text filter. We have sort, ascending, descending, and no sort for many of the columns. We have when the device was last seen, so these were last seen 6 minutes ago. We're going to trigger a new scan. Scan completed, 17 devices, added 0, updated 17. So as you see, it says just now because we just detected those on the current scan. There are no links set up for these phones, but if we swap to something other, let's do HP, you see the printer has a link, and that takes us right to the admin interface for the printer. And we can add those, you can add more than 1. I think the limit currently is 5. Then of course we have edit link, a delete link. Double clicking on a record will also open the edit view. The MAC address is set, the IP address is set. You cannot change either of those manually here. When it does the scan, it matches on MAC address, not on IP. So if the IP shifts and the MAC address stays the same, it will update the IP address on the record where the MAC address matches. There's the friendly name column that shows HP desktop. Here's the long description column. Here's our current link. There's no links for this particular one. And then here's our tags. I currently have devices, applications, and infrastructure. Then I currently have live or production, work in progress, and proof of concept. Work in progress being an unknown state and proof of concept being believed to be working but not known to be fully functional. That should be good. For our filtering on tags, we can say everything with a red tag, everything without a red tag. Obviously all those had a red tag, so it doesn't do us any good. Anything with a blue tag, so there we just see the ones with blue tag. Anything without a blue tag, we only see those without a blue tag. We can get rid of the HP, get a full list, and we can say everything with a red tag and without a blue tag and has a purple tag. So we got red, purple. We've got 4 options. The 0 clears our filters. We say everything with a blue tag, but not with a red tag and not with a purple tag. We've got 4 options. Currently we're in all mode. That says all of the tag filters must be applied. We don't swap to any. We don't really want to use negative so much with any, although sometimes you do, but it's not as common. So here we can say everything with a red tag or with a blue tag. And of course, we've got quite a few because that's an inclusive. I think that pretty much covers the core features here. Thank you.